Jai Hind all of you. I am your Max teacher. Welcome back to the online class, Class 5 Mathematics, Chapter 12 Smart Chart. Today we are going to learn the next data representation, that is pie chart. Pie chart is one type of data representation. The data are represented by using in a circle. Each pieces of the circle is known as sector. So let's watch the video.
Hello friends. Today let us learn one more way of data representation called pie chart. Let us begin. Many a times you all must have come across data represented in circular form in newspapers, magazines or on the television. These are called as pie charts. A pie chart is also called as a circle graph.
I can show you the first question. From the given data to draw a pie chart. So this is the information. Using this information you want to draw a pie chart. Pie chart, the data are represented in a circle. So here given the information on the basis of favorite game in a particular class. So using this information we want to draw the pie chart. So what is the first procedure? How can we draw the pie chart? Let's see. Take 6 centimeter circle. You wish you can take any measurement, but if it is a big circle, it will be very easy to mention the each part. If it is a smaller, it is very difficult to mention the each part. So you have to take 4 or 5 or 6 like this circles. It will be very easy to mention the data. So here this is the center of the circle. First we want to draw the radius of the circle. In any directions you can draw the radius. So first I draw this side. This is the radius of the circle. Okay. Next, using this circle, we want to mention these data in this circle. How can we represent the data? So before representing the data in a circle, we want to find out some measurements. How can we find out the measurement? Let's see. First, we want to find out the total of the given information. So here what is the total? 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 2 carry over and then 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 4, 5, 6. So 60 students are there. So next procedure, we want to find out the one person's angle. So how can we find out the one person's angle? The circle means 360 degree. The one circle means 360 degree. We want to split each person's how much measure. So that we want to find out 360 divided by measure of one person, that is 360 divided by 60. Then you got the measurement. 0, 0 cancelled. And 36 divided by 6, what is the answer? Yes, 6 degree is the measurement of one person. Understand all of you? The measure of one person is 6 degree. So next we want to draw the tabular column once again. So I can draw tabular column. Listen carefully. first column we want to mention the favorite game, next number of students, and then what is the third column? That column we want to mention the degree, measurement of the angle. Here mention the number of students, and the first column favorite game. So here what is the first game? That is cricket. Cricket, how many students are there? 11 students. So how can we find out the degree? One person measure is 6 degrees. So 11 persons measure is 11 into 6. That is 66 degree. That is the measurement of cricket. Okay, next person is football. So football, how many students are there? 8. So 8 into 6. 8 into 6, 48. And then hockey. Hockey, how many students are there? 16. So 16 into 6. 16 into 6. What is the measurement? 6 6 are 36. 3 balance. 1 6 is 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 96 degree. And then basketball. Basketball, how many students are there? 15. So here 15 into 6. 15 into 6. 15 into 6. 5 6 are 30. 3 balance. 1 6 is 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So here 90 degree. And then last one, table tennis. How many students are there? 10 students. So 10 into 6, 60 degree. So you want to find out this measurement is right or wrong. How can we find out that? So that here we want to find out the total of degree. Okay, total of degree, how can we find out it? Yes, 66 plus 48. 8 plus 6, 14, balance 1. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 4, 11. Plus 96. 10, balance 1. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11, balance 1, 2. Plus 90. 0, 10, balance 1, 3. Plus 60. 0, 6, 3. So total is 360 degree. So we split each games in a measurement in degree. Okay, so total we want to get it, that is 360. Otherwise if you are find out it's mistake. So whenever we want to find out the measurements, that time just you have to add the measurements. So you got the answer is 360. It is right. Okay, and here we get the measurement of each games. So using these measurements we want to mention in a circle. Understand? What is the first procedure? First procedure, you want to find out the total number of students. After that we want to find out the one person's degree. Then after multiplying that measurement on each items. Okay, understand? So getting these informations is one of the main things. So using this information we want to mention each details in a circle. So before starting this calculation I draw a circle. So here, yes, then how can we mention the angles? Which instrument we want to use to find out the angles? Yes, you have to know, that is protractor. This is the center and this black line is baseline. So this center to this black line, I want to place it like this. Okay? Understand all of you? What is the measurement of first? What is the measurement? Yes, 66 degree. So, I place the protractor. So, here is the 0. So, we want to take the inner scale, that is this scale. So, we want to mention the 66 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 is here. Then 60 is here. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66 is here. I put a dot. Then after that, I want to join these 2 points. Okay? So, this portion is mention the cricket. Understand? And then next is football, that is 48 degree. So how can we mention? So place the protractor like this. So this is 0. So we want to take the inner scale. So what is the measurement? 48 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. There we want to put the point and then join. So this portion is, yes, which is the portion? Yes, that is football. And then please twist this paper like this. And what is the third option? That is hockey. Hockey, how much? 96 degree. So place the protractor like this. 96. So starting with the 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 96. 96. So 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. And then joining these 2 points. Then that is hockey. And then what is the fourth one? Basketball, that is 90 degree. So place the protractor like this. Then starting with 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So there we want to put the point and then joining this section. So this portion is basketball. And remaining portion is, that is table tennis. So if you are measuring this portion, that you got what is the measurement? Yes, 60 degree. Okay, this is the way we mention all the details in a circle. Understand? What is the first procedure? The first procedure, you want to find out the each person's measurement in degree. So after that measurement you have to multiply each favorite items. Then you got the degree measurement, and then using this degree measurement you have to mention the details in a circle. Understand? All of you understand? Type of chart we want to draw it in your notebook. So if you want to mention each portions in a different colors, so that as your wish you can be mention each portions in a different colors. That your wish. Okay. Move to the next question.
For example, look at the pie chart. Now, let us learn how to read it. The circle represents all the fruits in the shop. The title tells us that the pie chart is about different fruits in Flora's fruit shop. The circle is divided into smaller parts called segments. Each segment of the circle represents a different fruit and a specific value. Here it is the number. Pie charts are best used to compare parts of a whole. Now, observe this pie chart and answer the questions. 1. How many fruits are there in all? So here, we find the total number of fruits. That is 76 plus 52 plus 43 plus 22, which is equal to 193. So, we say there are 193 fruits in all. Next, 2. Which fruit is the maximum in number? Here, as apples occupy the largest segment in the pie chart, the answer is apple. 3. How many more mangoes are there than bananas? Here, we need to subtract the number of bananas from number of mangoes. That is 52 minus 22, which is equal to 30. Thus, we say there are 30 mangoes more than the bananas. Lastly, 4. Which fruit is the least in number? As bananas occupy the smallest segment in the pie chart, the answer is banana.
In your textbook, page number 162, there is one tabular column is there. So using this tabular column, you want to draw these informations in a pie chart. Okay, the information on the basis of help most in housework. So number of children represented these columns, and first going to the market, 47 students are there. Washing utensils, 15 children. Washing clothes, 3 children. And making and serving food, 25. And cleaning the house, that is 10. So using these informations, we want to draw the pie chart. Okay, here in your textbook that is mentioned like this. So how can we represent these data in a pie chart? So first, what we have to do in the first. So the first step is you want to draw the tabular column and find out the measurements of each items. That is each housework. So first, go to the market, that I can mention here. So 3 columns I draw it here. The first one, what are the details? So how many students are participate, and then we want to find out the degree. So before find out the degree, we want to find out each person's degree. So there we want to find out the total how many students are there. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 0 to carry over. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So total is 100. Total is 100. Next, we want to find out the degree of each person. Degree of each children or person as a person. That is 360 divided by 100. So 0, 0 cancelled. Division by 10. So we put one number before we put the decimal point. So that's rule we want to study in the tens and hundreds section. So division by 10, that is we write the numerator first and from right to left one place after we put the decimal point. That is division by 10. Only 1 0 is there. So one place after we have to put one place before we put the decimal point. So here one person's degree is 3.6. Using this degree we want to find out the each portions. So here 47 into 3.6. Okay, 47 into 3.6. So there we want to calculate the answer. So remove the decimal points and find out the answer. So here 47 into 336. Remove the decimal point and do the calculation. 7 6 are 42, 4 balance, 4 6 is 24 plus 4, 28. 0 after that, 7 3s are 21, 2 balance, 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14. 2, 8 plus 1, 9, 6, 1. So here the answer is 1692. But we want to put the decimal point one place before. So one place before I can put the decimal point. So the degree is 169 degree. 169.2 degree. Understand? And same way you have to find out the others also. So the next utensils, that is 15. So 15 into 3.6. 15 into 3.6. 15 into 36. 6 5s are 30. 3, 166 plus 3, 9. 0, 5 3s are 15. Balance 1. 1 3 is 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 0, 9 plus 5, 14. Balance 1, 5. So 540. So same way, after one place we have to put the decimal point. Okay. Then next 3 into 3.6. So 36 into 3. 6 3s are 18. Balance 1. 3 3s are 9 plus 1. 10. So here 108. But one place before we put the decimal point. So multiplying with the decimal. So and next 25 into 36. 6 5s are 30. 3 balance. 2 6 are 12 plus 3, 15. Second is 0. 5 3s are 15. Balance 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. 0. 5 plus 5, 10. Balance 1. 2. 2 plus 7, 9. So 900. Then 900. One place before we want to put the decimal point. So 90 degree. The last one, 10 into 3.6. So multiplying with 10, one place after we want to put the decimal point. So there we have to write 36 degree. Okay, this decimal point move to this place. Multiplying with 10, one place after we have to put the decimal point. Okay, this is the measurement of angles. So the first is 169.2 degree and second one is 54 degree and third one 10.8 degree and fourth one 90 degree and here is 36 degree. So what is the next procedure? Next we want to draw the circle. Okay. So here I can draw the circle. All of you see the circle? So, here is the center of the circle. What is the first procedure? Yes, we want to draw the radius. So, any place. So, I can draw it here. That is radius. And what is the next procedure? Yes, using the protractor to find out the angles. So, using the protractor placed like this. So, this baseline on the above of the radius. So, I can place it here. And what is the measurement of first? That is going to mark it. What is the measurement? That is 169.2 degree. So, listen carefully. So, here starting with the 0, that we want to use the inner scale. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 169, 161, 62, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168 and 169, and in between these 2 points we want to put the point. Okay, then join this section. So one more information I can given here. So if we are writing in the point, so after this decimal point, the number is 5 or greater than 5. That time we add 1 to the number. That is 169 becomes 170. But here less than 5. So no need to add. So you have to use 169 is enough. Okay. 169 is enough. It is less than 5. So no need to add. But here 10.8. There we want to add 1 in the number. That is 10 plus 1. That is 11. 8 is greater than 5. It is if it is less than 5, the same number we have to mention. If it is greater than or equal to 5, that is we want to add the 1 to the given number. Okay. So first I can mention the going to market. Going to the market. This is the portion going to the market. So turn this paper like this and then place the protractor on the above of this line. Okay, and then next is washing utensils, that is 54 degree. 54 degree. So here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 is here. 51, 52, 53, 54. Yes, here. Okay. Then join the center to the circle. Okay. This place is washing utensils. Okay. Then turn this paper like this and place the protractor like this. Okay. Here's the center. Okay. And then what is the measurement of third? That is 10.8. We need to count the 11 degree. So here 10 plus 1, that is 1. That is the small portion. Washing clothes. And then turn this paper like this and then place the protractor on the above of that line. And then what is the fourth one? Making and serving food, that is 90 degree. So starting with the 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So that is, we have to put it here. that is making and serving food. Okay, the remaining portion is cleaning the house. Cleaning the house. So this is the way we represent the details in a circle. Okay, understand all of you? A big portion that is going to the market and the smallest portion is washing clothes. All of you understand this section? Textbook page number 163. There is one question is there. Practice time question. So 3 options are here. Watching TV, playing football, reading storybooks. So 3 details are given. What like to do after the school. So here you want to ask the 10 of your friends and then find out the numbers. So how many students like to watch TV, that you have to mention here, and playing football, that mention here, and reading storybooks, that you have to mention it here. And then you ask only the total 10 students and put the details here. Using that details you need to draw a pie chart. That is one homework. Okay. Textbook page number 166. There is one table is given. So you using this informations you want to find out the answers. So here this is the tabular column, and first question, after each year the number of rabbits was. So here the first year, so starting with the 10, and the first year it will be growing 18. So it is 8 more than. So after 2 years it will be coming in 32, and then third year 58, and fourth year 108. So all these details you get an idea, that is it is less than double the number. So here after each year the number of rabbits was, 4 options are given. The first option is a little less than the double the number of rabbits in the last year, double the number in the last year, 8 more than the number in the last year, more than double the number of rabbits in the last year. But here the first option is very suitable. A little less than the double the number of rabbits. Why all 3 options are not taken? Because the double the number in the last year, that is 10 double is 20, but here is 18. So it's a little bit smaller than the double. Okay. 8 more than. So only the first step is 8 more than. Other section is not in the right. So remove this one. And so the most suitable option is A. Okay. So you have to put the tick mark on A option. Do this question in your textbook. And the second question, at the end of the year 6, the number of rabbits was closer to which number? So here if it is double, that is near to 200, and then the last 6th year, that is I think it will be coming in near to 400. So suitable option is 400. Okay. Last question, after which year did the number of rabbits close to 1000? So which year? So in the starting this question, there is a year is given, that is 1718 is the starting year. So after which year it will comes in 1000? So nearly it will becomes here is 400. So in the 7th year it is near to 8, and then 8th year it will be comes in 1000. So the year is 1788. Okay, that is the answer of last question. 1788. After the 8th year it will near to cross the 1000. Okay. Then in the page number 167, there is a family tree is given. So look at the family tree. Parents and grandparents and grandparents and fifth generations are given in this family tree. So using this family tree, you want to find out the answers. Okay. So that you have to mention in your textbook. In evening, the Zoom class, we will discuss the answers of these questions. Okay. And then that time we will discuss the growth chart also. Growth chart is nothing is there. So it is not important for this year. Next year you have to study the deeply. So here the information is given. So using these informations, draw it like using the dot and joining these dots, we can draw a line segment joined to these dots. That is growth chart. Okay. This growth chart also we can draw in a graph paper. So this detailed sections you have to study in the next year. But here some questions are given that you have to find out the answers from the given informations. Okay. So in the evening we will discuss these two questions. So family tree question and also growth chart questions we will discuss in the evening Zoom class. And one more homework is there, that is drawing the pie chart. That you have to find out the details and then using that details you have to draw the pie chart. Okay, that's only the homework in your notebook. Other two questions you have to write it in your textbook. Okay. Thank you students. Thank you so much.